everybody! So you want to install Windows 10? Good! First of all, you need to download the media creation tool, just Google for it, and follow these steps. Also, in this video I'll show you how to handle an error if it happens. There's going to be a lot of fast forwarding in this video because otherwise it would be a very long video. So open media creation, just click next. Now you want to make a USB or DVD drive, not abrogate your PC. You can do that too, but I'm gonna show you how to create an USB drive. You can leave the settings just like they are. It usually knows if you're on 64-bit or 32. Otherwise you can modify it. On Windows 10 there is a lot of choices. So the language and the version of Windows you want. Click the option you want, the USB or an ISO file. I'm gonna leave it on USB. The USB is already inserted and it starts downloading. So after downloading the Windows, it's gonna start creating the bootable USB drive. Around this stage, at 50% progress usually, you may receive an error and the process will stop. And here it is. You have this error because of the software writing itself to the USB drive and making it bootable. It's because of the antivirus. Yes. Now I see there isn't any error message on the antivirus that I have. Usually you receive the message of the autorun virus. So the step to do it is to disable the antivirus. So let's try this again. After you disable the antivirus, you need to start all over again, and it should work. Let's jump straight ahead to the creation in Windows at around 50% this time. And let's hear some drums. Yes, there was no problem this time. So as I told you, the problem was with the antivirus. If you disable it, everything should be okay. You should complete the process and have yourself a bootable USB drive so you can install Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this informative and helpful. Click that like button and subscribe if you want more. Thank you. Have a nice one.